In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the accelerator pedal on this GMC Sierra. This is going to be located underneath the dash. Let's get into it. We're going to disconnect the connector. I'm just going to use a pick. There's a little lock tab here. Pull that back, push down on the tab on the connector, slide that to the side. Using a T30 socket, there's a screw here, and then there's a screw on top. Take those screws out. Pull that screw out. And the bottom screw. Grab the pedal, and it slides right off. Take the pedal very carefully, get it lined up. It is sensitive, so you don't want to drop it. Get the screws started. I'll tighten it down. You want to get in there with a torque wrench and torque these bolts to 80 inch-pounds. That's good. Take the connector, line it up, plug it in, lock down the lock. And at this point, you want to hook up a scan tool, make sure the accelerator is responding properly, clear any codes you had, and take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.